I'm Joe Cuello, Professor of Biosystems Engineering at the University of Arizona. I'm here to introduce to you the CEA360 Integrated Design Protocol for CEA Profitability. By CEA, we refer to either a greenhouse or a vertical farm or any other CEA facility or system. There are four elements in this design process. There's the market, the growing structure, utilities, crop production. And of course, they're arranged in a circular or looped configuration. At the center, of course, is the produce unit cost. So the market, we begin with the market because the market provides the demand in terms of the types of produce to be cultivated and in terms of the quantities or the amounts of each of the produce, and at the same time, the schedule for delivering what is demanded in terms of the produce. Then based on that, those market demands, one responds to those by designing the growing structure. And the growing structure could be a modular type, such as a shipping container, or it could be a warehouse type of growing structure. Then there's the nutrient delivery system. Is it hydroponics? Is it aeroponics? And therefore, do you use shelves piled on top of another, one on top of the other? Or do you use aeroponic towers or hydroponic towers? And then how do you deliver the light that's required by the crops? Is it using solar radiation? Is it a hybrid between solar radiation and electric lighting systems such as LEDs? Or will it be purely electric lighting such as LEDs? Then, of course, there's the nutrient mix as well, and so on and so forth. Then we go to the utilities. Utilities, of course, pertains to water, and electricity is the major part of it. If there's going to be any cooling or heating involved in growing the crops in the growing structure. And then there's the question of, is it going to be from the grid, or are you going to harness solar radiation or any other type of renewable energy? Then we go into the crop production, and that is really optimizing the crop production regime so that you really are able to optimize your crop productivity on the one hand, but also the crop quality on the other hand. And so we're talking about what light intensity, what's the photo period, what is the light quality, the nutrient recipes, and so on and so forth. Then we go back to the market to deliver what is demanded by the market. And one hopes, just in one loop, that one is able to deliver an optimal produce unit cost for the market, and also produce unit cost that is optimal for the company or the enterprise to make a profit. Now, in one loop, perhaps that's not attainable. And so in the design process, one goes through the loop over and over again, making the necessary adjustments or changes in the growing structure, in the utilities, in the crop production, so that ultimately one arrives at a produce unit cost that is optimal to the market and is also optimal to the enterprise in terms of profitability.